In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star important papers in Elicit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark key studies so they're easy to find later, keeping your research organized and accessible. First, log into Elicit. This ensures your selections are saved to your own library and will sync across sessions. If you use different workspaces, double-check you're in the one where you want your saved papers to live. No need to enter anything here on camera, just make sure you're signed in and ready. Next, go to the results page. This is the main table Elicit shows after you run a search or open a project with retrieved papers. You'll see titles, authors, abstracts, and other details. Think of this page as the hub where you decide what's worth saving. If the list is long, use the visible columns, sorting, or quick filters to focus on the most relevant items before you make selections. Now select the papers you want to star or save. You can click the checkbox next to each paper's title to mark it. If you're on the fence about a paper, click the title to preview the abstract and key takeaways, then return to the results to make your selection. You can select one, several, or all that meet your criteria. A helpful approach is to pick the must-reads first, landmark studies, highly cited works, or the most directly relevant findings, so your library becomes a curated set rather than a cluttered archive. With your choices selected, go to the top of the results page and click Save to Library. This button applies to every paper you've checked. After you click, Elicit will add those papers to your library and usually give a small confirmation like a visual change to the icon or a brief message. If the button looks inactive, make sure you've actually selected at least one paper. You can repeat this as often as you need, saving in batches as your review progresses. Once saved, those papers are starred in the sense that they're now part of your personal library, ready to revisit without repeating the search. When you come back to Elicit later, open your library to quickly jump into reading, exporting citations, or comparing studies side by side. If you ever want to refine what you've saved, return to the results page, adjust your selection, and click Save to Library again. That's it. Log in, head to the results page, select the papers that matter, and click Save to Library. Keep this routine as you work, and your most important papers will always be just a click away.